Hello, this is just a quick 5-minute guide of how to start a Tumblr blog account. First thing you need to do is find the website. Go to Google and type in the letters Tumblr, T-U-M-B-L-R, unusual spelling. Click on that and you should be taken to a registering page. If not, you do need to find this section where it gives you 3 boxes to fill in. First thing you need to do is put in an email address. If you are using your mum and dad's email address, make sure you have their permission. You will need to log on to that account to confirm your registration. Passwords need to be memorable. Write them down, please. Do not forget them, especially if you need to use it at school. Write it in your homework diary. And your username can often be taken by other people. Let's see if that one has worked. First time. Normally you might have to type in a few different versions of a username. The limit for Tumblr is 13 years old. Anyone less than 13 is not allowed to use it, officially that is. If you are under 13, please only use Tumblr whilst your mother and father are around. That is important. This is a World Wide Web page, and of course you can encounter all sorts of information on here, which probably you're unlikely to find anything inappropriate, but I would prefer you, if you are under 13, to be somewhere where parents are. It's like anything on the internet. If you're using YouTube or Google, you can type in certain words and inappropriate material for your age could come up. So please, if you're under 13 and you put 13 years to use this, make sure whenever you use it, mum and dad are around. The usual registering code. If you can't read it, get some glasses. No, just do the refresh button, but normally they are readable. And let's move on. First page you encounter is a page by Tumblr to make you follow other blogs. You don't want to do that. The way around it is to go up to the menu, the index page up there, the address page, sorry, and type in again tumblr.com. That will then jump this whole process and take you to the important page in your blogging. This is called the dashboard. Remember that word from earlier in the presentation? The dashboard. Here you will be able to put text, photograph, quotes, links, have a chat, audio and videos onto your page just by clicking on those. Let's do one of those now. Click on video and up will come this little useful box. It says here embed code or video URL. All that means is from a YouTube video or any other video website, you can copy a code and download it. Let me just find one now for you. Spain World Cup. Oh, I even spelled Spain wrong, so let's just double check that. I want this come up anyway, but let's have a look. Spain World Cup. Let's pick one. Now you're looking for a HD code or a embed code. You just click on share, compartir in Spanish, and highlight, well, it's already highlighted for you, but copy and paste that code. Copy, go back to your Tumblr page and embed that there, or paste it. Give it a caption, England were rubbish, and we were. Give it a tag line, so if you need to search on your blog, you can quickly find any pages related to any topics you want to pick. So I put football here, Spain, England, rubbish. And when you press publish, it immediately goes onto your website. Let's have a quick look at your website. Here you can see highlighted is the web address. It's a combination of your username and the tumblr.com code. If I click on that, you will be able to see up here your new web page. Or if you ever want to look at your blog or want to give your address to other people to look at your blog, that's the address you need to use. At the moment it looks pretty boring. We have our video, untitled, and the design is just a white page. Well, we can change that by going to the customize button. Oh, we have a problem. Now we need to verify our email address. Go back to your emails, be it Hotmail, Gmail, whatever it may be. Click on the Tumblr email you've received, and then just scroll down and verify email address. This page is interesting. If you have an iPhone or tablet, you can actually download a Tumblr application. Using the same username and password, you can blog from your iPhone or tablet. Let's go to our main page though, and back onto the web page we were using, and let's find a better design. So go to Customize, and up will come this useful menu here, and we're looking at themes. Pick the themes which are gratis, are free. Okay, we don't pay for anything when we're blogging. There's a wide range to select from. I'm just scrolling up here, and you just need to click on them to see a quick preview which will come up on your screen. Okay, you can have a look what it could potentially look like. Another choice here. If you want to scroll down, you scroll down there. Depends what design you like. Okay, let's pick that one. I'm not a big fan of it, but let's pick it and put use. And we can also give our blog a title. I'm going to call it My First Blog Page. And you can give a description of your blog as well in there. This is for my school. It hasn't come up on that page, is it? I think we should change the theme at some point. Save that. Go back to themes. That theme wasn't a very good one. It didn't show me the proper design features. Let's pick this one. And my first blog page is now arrived there, and there's that little code I put in there. Okay, use it. Close it. Leave this page, please. Yes. And there we are, back to our main page. That's what it looks like now. So you can play around with that to improve your blog. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. The use of blog. Gone back to my customized page. I can do other things here as well if I wanted to. Add pages, change colors, change text for you to play with. If I want to blog, I go onto my dashboard, put a text entry in there, give it a title. My second blog. Blog, and hi, I am a test. On this page you can put in pictures if you want, bold, italics, web links, remember put tag words, okay, and publish. That will appear on your blog. Remember, you can check it by going there if you like what you see. If you don't like it, you go back, okay, and you can edit your work. If you don't like what you've done, you can edit it, or delete it, or edit. Edit allows you to go back in, change and improve what you've written. Maybe you found a spelling error or some punctuation needs changing. And of course the delete button is pretty self-explanatory. So that's the basics. We've got more to do in the future, but I wish you well, and once we set this up we can then start sharing our work very simply. Okay.